Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today I have a wig review. And it's with the Neesha 202 wig from Outre. So if you guys want to know my thoughts and opinion on this hair right here, you want to know some hair deets, then keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, guys. Hey guys, what is up? If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Sophia, and if you are oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure that you guys stopped by because you saw the title of this video. It's gonna be another wig review, another wiggy video. I love me a good wig. I think I did a wig review on the Neesha 201 a few weeks ago. I think about like 2 weeks ago or something like that. And I decided to get another wig, y'all. So it's gonna be the Neesha Wig 202. I had to try it. I just had to because I love the other wigs so much. So I got it. Okay, it came in like 3 days. Shipping is pretty fast in wigtypes.com, especially what's going on like recently. And I understand if you place an order, it's gonna take some time to come in, but literally this came fast, and I'm very impressed with wigtypes. So I have to let you guys know that I bought this with my own coins. Okay, this is not a sponsored video. They didn't send me this. This is like my honest opinion on this hair. It's a little longer than the Neesha 1 wig, so I got it in the color 2. When I usually buy synthetic wigs, I always get a color 2. I don't know, I feel like 2 looks more natural than 1B, but when I bought the Neesha 201 wig, they didn't have a 2. They only had 1B. I was like, you know what, let me get a 2 in this. I feel like the darker the hair is, the more plastic it looks. That's just my opinion. So let's open this girl up. It's the same price as the Neesha Wig 201 that I bought recently. Let me just show you the model, how they're wearing it. Love it. I like this color. I feel like I can't pull this off. But, you know, I'm a basic girl, you know what I mean? I like me a good dark hair. Just throw that in the floor. Ooh, I like the curls in this. Let me just take the scissors and kind of just... let's rip that off here. Okay, so this is the hair right here. Look at the curls in the bottom. So nice. Standard. You have your comb in the back. 2 on the side. So I like that. The part is pretty nice as well. Nice. And it's a left parting, which most girls wear their hair to the left, which is what I do as well. Love this. Trying to... Ooh, this is nice, y'all. Oh, wow. This is really nice. Yeah, this is a really nice hair. I like it. I like the length, not too long. Oh my god, I feel like this is the perfect length for me. Hold on, move back a little bit so you can see what's going on. Yeah. Look at this. Look at the plucking here. Oh my gosh, this is a really nice wig. I think I like this better than the 201s. Yes, I do. And this is something that, let's say if you're going out to like an event and you need your hair, and you need like really quick, nice hair, this is really nice. Okay, so like I said, this hair is the Neesha 202 in the color 2. I had a 1B last time for the Neesha 201. I like this color better. I feel like it looks less plasticky. It looks more natural in this color. Usually when I do synthetic wigs, I normally get a 2 because it just looks more natural. It just mimics my own natural hair. which I like. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite. This is my favorite. I don't know, my sister told me that that the 2-in-1 made me look like way older. I should get something like a little bit longer, so I took her advice and got this. I mean, I still like the 2-in-1 a lot. I really do. I like that a lot, but this is like nice if you really want a little bit of length. So yeah, this is really nice. Okay, so I am going to cut the lace off camera and then I will be right back with how it looks without the lace. Okay guys, so give me 1 second. Okay, I'll be right back in like a second. Okay, so this is the hair right here. Oh my god, this is so nice. I really like it. Here's the parting right here. I like how it curves like that. So if you want to kind of just, you know, push it down like that, you definitely can, and kind of just do like a nice flip, which is like my thing. I love doing that, like that Farrah Fawcett type flip. I really like the hair. It looks so natural. You only get it for under $40, which I like. If you want to add a clip onto here, you definitely can. So pretty. Oh my god. This is such a nice like wig. I love this. This is such my vibe. This is definitely a type of hair where you could just slap on and you will look glam. Very glamorous. Very glamorous. I'm so happy I bought this. I like the length. The length is like armpit length, which is really nice. I just love how it's ready to go. You just slap it on and it's ready to go. I like how it mimics natural hair. This whole line, which is the soft and natural line from Outre, like it just mimics a naturally blown out like blowout. Like it looks like, you know, I went and got my hair washed, I got it set, or I blew dry the roots and left the hair curly like we went to the Dominican. I'm telling you, it looks amazing. I like it. My birthday is in August, y'all. Maybe I will rebuy this, a fresh wig of this, and then, you know, nice white dress. What do you think? For my birthday? Birthday hair or not? I'm already thinking about outfits to wear in the summer with this hair. Oh my god. Let's see. Shedding. There is a little bit of shedding, but it's like that with synthetic wigs. It's as much hair that fell out so far as me combing it out. It's not a lot. Me, I wear my wigs to the death. So synthetic wigs for me last a month, and then I'll just move on to the next one. Or I rebuy this. But this is something that I think I'll rebuy again. For sure. I feel like this will be like my new, you know, my new everyday hair. So this is something that I would definitely repurchase all over again. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a super quick video. I just want to get on here and show you this wig real quick and how it looks like. I really didn't do any styling with this, so if you are a beginner in wigs, this will definitely, like the whole Neesha line, I feel like so far, because I only tried 2 so far. This is like my second one in their whole new line. I feel like this is beginner wig friendly. If you are going into wigs and stuff like that, definitely try this line because this is so easy to style. You just put it on your head, adjust it a little bit, and then you're good to go. I'd add some bobby pins to the front to kind of secure the wig, honey, because you don't want to go outside and your wig be blowing off. That's not a good look. So I add a few bobby pins to secure the hair, and then that's it, like literally. And then I probably just comb it out a little bit, and that's just what it is. If you see this hair in the next few videos, I'm warning you now because this hair is like popping. Love it. I love it. I love it a lot. Anyways, let me go because I have stuff to do, some errands to do, like go to the bank and stuff like that, but that's besides the point. Okay, honey? So I'll see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.